In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Webflow with Shopify. This process will help you take advantage of Webflow's flexible design capabilities while enjoying Shopify's robust e-commerce platform to manage your products. Let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly combine these two powerful tools to enhance your online presence and streamline your business operations. First things first, you'll need accounts on both platforms, so make sure you're signed up with Webflow and Shopify. Once that's ready, head over to your Webflow dashboard. We want to integrate Shopify into Webflow's design to create a seamless user experience. Open your project in Webflow and identify where you plan to include your Shopify elements. It could be a single product page or a grid showcasing multiple items. Now, switch over to Shopify. In Shopify's dashboard, go to the Apps section and select the Custom By button. This feature allows you to embed Shopify products directly on your Webflow site. By creating a Custom By button, you can offer a direct purchase option without customers leaving your beautifully designed pages. Choose a product you'd like to embed and click Create a Buy button. This will generate a code specifically for that product. Make sure to customize the appearance and functionality of the button according to your needs. Consider aspects like the color matching your site's design or the button size for a better visual appeal. Once you're satisfied, copy the generated code. Returning to Webflow, navigate to the page where you want to display this product. It could be a dedicated product page or part of a collection. Using the embedded HTML element in Webflow, paste in the Shopify Buy button code. This step is crucial as it connects your Webflow design with Shopify's purchase functionality. Adjust the layout around the button to ensure harmonious integration with your overall design aesthetic. Check the responsiveness of your design. You want to ensure that the integration looks just as good on mobile devices as it does on a desktop. Webflow makes it easy to toggle between views, so make use of this feature to make any necessary adjustments. Once you've confirmed that everything looks and functions perfectly, publish your site. This step makes your new design and the Shopify integration live for the world to see. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Webflow with Shopify. Now, visitors can enjoy a seamless browsing experience and make purchases directly from your site, benefiting from the best of both platforms. As you explore further, consider utilizing additional Shopify features to expand your store's functionality. Automation and analytics from Shopify can offer deeper insights into customer behavior, fostering informed business decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide enhances your abilities to create a beautifully functional online storefront. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more informative content like this.